All right, so the exponential function f is represented in the table. The function g is an exponential function passing through the point 0, 800 and 4, 0. So let's write that down. So g of x, when x equals 0, this thing equals 800. When x equals 4, this thing equals 0. When I compare the two functions, what seems to be true? Well, I think the only thing that we can say, it appears when you look at this, both functions are decreasing, right? So let's write that down. Both functions are decreasing. From the interval 0 to 4. We're talking about the x values from 0 to 4. But g decreases at a faster rate. How do I know that? Well, because even though this one starts at 868, and then by the time x equals 4, in other words, f of x decreases probably about 740 units, roughly, if I had to approximate, where g of x decreases 800 units. It goes from 800 to 0, so it decreases at a faster rate. It decreases more in that interval. And that's basically it for that one.